Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope your week has been off to an amazing start, and I hope you all are in good health. So today, you guys, I'm going to be doing a little clean and decorating today in this video. So I hope this video brings you some cleaning motivation as well as some home decor inspiration.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the coma.
While I'm going ahead and clean the rest of my living room and dining room, I'm going to share with you this robot vacuum cleaner that was sent to me out by a company called Pkwy. So I could be pronouncing it wrong, but this is the name here, and I absolutely love it. So she's right now at her home base. I have her plugged in my kitchen, well, right between my kitchen and my family room. But I absolutely love this robot vacuum cleaner, you guys. I've been on the market for one of these vacuum cleaners for a long time, so I was so happy to be able to test out this product and review it for you all. When I say this little robot does a lot, she does a lot because she kind of cleans up. She makes sure she goes and she gets all of the crumbs and everything. Just gives you one less thing to have to worry about. Now you still have to go ahead and sweep and mop, like you would normally regularly do, but I usually have her set to go off every day because she comes with a remote control and you can program her to go off at a particular time every day. So I have her set to go off every day at 9:30 in the morning when everybody is gone out of the house, and then I'll just go ahead and watch her clean all of my floors and everything. So that's one less task that I have to worry about. So yeah, like I said, she is wirelessly. She does have an app that you can download where you can program her and control her from the app. And then she also has a remote control as well that you can control her from the remote control. This vacuum cleaner is really awesome. The suction power is pretty good. She works well on hardwood floors, porcelain, as well as low pile carpets. Now you do have to make sure that you don't have any loose fabrics or cords or anything in the way because she does tend to get tangled up in items like that. But for the most part, she is really capable of able to sense furniture and large pieces that are in the way, and she kind of just glides and goes around it without getting stuck and you having to manually route her to a different direction. And so I absolutely love this little robot. I've been using her now for about 3 weeks, and I think she is awesome. So this is the BG800. She does have a mopping feature that she comes with, but I haven't used the mopping feature. I still kind of use my shark mop. That's just me. But she does have a mopping function on her as well if you're interested in using that. So I'll have all of her information linked down in the description box below, as well as a special discount code to save you a percentage off of your order. And thank you to Pkwy for sending me out this robot vacuum cleaner. So I absolutely love it. So now let's continue on with the video.
I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that.
So now I'm just taking my Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray, and then this is in the peony, I think peony scent. I absolutely love using Mrs. Meyer's product. It's eco-friendly and it is just a really good product to use. So I always love to use that. So that's what you see me doing here, is wiping down my dining room table with that.
Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that?
Now for my side tables here, I'm just using that same Weinmann quartz cleaner that I use on my kitchen counters. So I'm using it on this marble tables as well. I did pick these tables up from, where did I get these from? Oh, I got them from World Market. So I absolutely love it because they're small and they're sleek, and then they fit perfectly in my space. So I'm just wiping down every little thing. This is just a little airwick diffuser that I got from my local grocery store. This little thing actually works pretty well too, because it goes off every 8 hours or something like that and just fills the air with fresh aroma. So now let's go ahead and just start to decorate. Everything that you see me using in today's video are things that I already own, things I already had in my decor stash. Trying to just show you how you can restyle and reuse things and move stuff around, and you'll get a different look and get a different vibe. So that's what I'm doing in this video. So these little boxes I got from Home Goods. Y'all have seen these a bunch of times, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add them to this side table. And then on this side of the table, I'm just gonna add in some coffee table books. I have my little fiddly fig tree that is doing pretty well over here in a corner, so I have her sitting here because the window is here and she likes bright light, so that's what I have her sitting there. And then I have this little trinket little jar that I got from Home Goods a few years ago that I'm just gonna add to this stack of coffee table books. Now on my coffee table here, I'm gonna change up my coffee tables. Usually every week I like to change up my coffee table and just decorate with different decor pieces. So that's what I'm doing here, is I'm trying something different. So those same white books that I've showed you all in previous videos, so I have them all linked in my Amazon store if you guys are interested. But that little marble candle holder is actually from Target. It actually has a hurricane that attaches to it, but I removed the hurricane and just using the marble base as a candle holder. So this candle is called sunshine and daffodil. So if you're looking for spring in a jar, this candle is it. So it just fills your house with a really good aroma, and I absolutely love it. So it just smells like fresh cut flowers. So I love that. So I got that on my coffee table. So I'm trying to slowly bring in the spring elements. I'm really so excited for spring. I'm ready to start working in my yard. I'm just ready to start bringing in more spring into my home. So these little tulips I picked up from Amazon. I think Amazon has like the prettiest little bundles of tulips, and they're very inexpensive. I think I paid like maybe $10 or $12 for like a pack of 30. So I do have these linked in my Amazon store if you guys are interested. But tulips is a perfect flower to bring into your home that represents spring, whether it's real or faux. They just really look really nice for during the springtime. So everything else on this table is pretty much things that I already had. I have my candle accessories. Then also I'm going to add in this marble chain that I got from Home Goods. Then at the bottom I'm going to add in my Tom Ford book. And then on these white books I'm just going to add in this piece of Argite. It's just a piece of Argite that I got from Home Goods. I believe it was like $14.99, just to kind of add a nice different texture to the table as well. I'm gonna change up things just a little bit. So this mirror I got from Target. I just love that it adds like a little pop of brass to my black wall. It absolutely looks really stunning. And then I'm gonna use this ginger jar to hold my florals. So these floral stems I showed you in my last video, these are some white cherry blossoms. So yeah, I picked these up from Michael's. They were, like I said, they were $9 a stem, but I believe I got them for 30% off. So it just really makes a big impact statement right here in the entryway. So that's going to be added here to my credenza. I'm going to add in a smaller ginger jar that I picked up from Ross a few years ago. Then I'm also going to add in a white decorative box that I got from Home Goods a few years ago as well. Then I'm also going to add in my little Greek bust. And then this little Greek bust you can find at Home Goods. I seen it at Burlington. I did get mine from Burlington, and it was like $11 at Burlington. You can find it at Amazon as well, but I think it's a lot more expensive if you find it on Amazon. But yeah, and then the lamp that I have to my right, I actually picked up from Home Goods. bit. I'm gonna add in my acrylic tray. I got this tray from CB2. I absolutely love it, and y'all have seen me decorate with this tray all throughout the house. So I'm gonna add that to my credenza, and then I'm also gonna add in my jewels cloches. I shared this with you all in my last video. So I just moved them from my coffee table over here to the credenza. And then these little objects that are in the inside of the cloches are called allium spears, and I got those from Z Gallery as well. They do come in white. This is more like a blush pink color, and then they also have black as well. And then my lamps and artwork did come from Home Goods, and then my credenza itself came from Tall Furniture. Then the other credenza in the entryway actually came from homery.com. And now next I'm going to add in this black kind of smoky vase that I got from Target. I'm just going to add some greenery stems in it. So this is how I have my dining room styled at the moment. I just took some black and white vases. I did get those vases from a local furniture store here in Houston, but I have seen similar ones at the at-home store that are a smaller version. If you guys are interested, that bowl I shared with you all before. I got that from Target. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mop my floors, and then that'll be pretty much it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it brought you some home decor inspiration. I thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.